I'm going to review Farooky Tooth Powder. Farooky Tooth Powder is a natural oral care product known for its herbal ingredients. It helps clean teeth effectively, leaving a fresh and lasting feeling in the mouth. Many users find it useful for reducing bad breath and mild gum issues. It costs Rs 340, but at a discount, its cost becomes 335 rupees and may vary. The powder has a strong, traditional taste which some people love, while others may take time to get used to it. Unlike toothpaste, it doesn't foam, but it still gives a thorough clean. It's free from harsh chemicals, making it a good option for those who prefer natural products. Its regular use may help whiten teeth and maintain overall oral hygiene. The packaging is simple, but it lasts a long time since only a small amount is needed per use. Overall, it's a budget-friendly and effective alternative to regular toothpaste.